And maybe adding the veggies at the end might be the way to go if you don't want your veggies to look like there's only one color in the plate. I'm in the mood for some black lentils today, or beluga lentils. I've rinsed a cup of black lentils, and make sure that you rinse it well. They don't need soaking because they're so tiny. And make sure you pick the ones that don't look right, or they look, let's see, they're suspicious, let's say that. Black lentils, I prefer to buy organic when I can, and I'm chopping some carrots, and this is gonna be a super easy recipe with just lentils, a little bit of broth that will help cook the lentils. I have a, oh, I need to get it. I need to get my bouillon cube that's like a natural one with no MSG. And we're gonna use that. We're gonna chop our carrots very thinly because these lentils don't require a long cooking period. And man, today I am tired. It's one of those days, so bear with me. But it is a very comfort food, and I'm gonna eat this with some cassava tortillas. So we got here, I chopped around 10 tiny carrots. Let's see if I want to add a few more. I just want like a little bit of color. Let's see. Maybe we can add 2 more. Let's add 2 to 3 more. For baby carrots. These are like insanely baby carrots. Like these are baby carrots. Okay. The reason why I'm making this is because today I am tired. It's a rainy day. I am not feeling my best. I'm actually, because I am a little bit stressed, I'm experiencing some heartburn. So I need to take it slow. Oops. And I need to focus on my nutrition. I need to do some meditation and really center in slowing down because I'm not feeling well. And instead of going out and buying food, I need to nourish my body. So it's very important that when you realize that if you're not feeling that great, you need to pause for a little bit. You need to assess. You need to regain some strength and see what you can do in order to feel better. What can you do in order to feel better? And just really double down on that. Clearly, every time I'm not feeling that great, I'm wearing this sweater, which brings me a lot of comfort. But here we go. Nourishing bowl. You can add some garlic, which actually, let's do that. Let's put some garlic cloves in there. 3 garlic cloves. I'm not gonna chop them, but as you guys know, remember to cut it in half and remove this little guy from here. You know, you see, this one is already growing, so you want to remove it because you want a better digestion, even though this is just gonna be for flavor.
Mommy, what are you making?
I'm making some lentils for everyone. All right, I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. All right, well, Audrey's having a rough day. So this is what I'm using. I'm using a vegetable bouillon with herbs, and try to get as many organic ingredients, read the labels, and we are going, let's come over here, my friends. We're gonna bring it to a boil, and then we're gonna simmer. It's gonna be somewhere around 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes. It's boiling. So now we're gonna simmer. We're gonna put a medium heat, and we'll let it go for 30 minutes. But we're gonna check around 20 minutes. Around 20 minutes, we'll check how these guys are doing because we don't want them to burn. Guys, so good. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, and this is what it's looking like. Everything looks back. Even the pure carrots. I should have added the carrots at the end. Audrey is still upset because life is so hard on her at the moment. We're gonna cook this guys for a little bit longer because I don't think you can try to, if you want to see if the lentils are done, you just press them down, and if you can't squish them, it means that they're not ready. You gotta do a little bit more. I'm gonna add this guys. We're gonna add to this guys 10 more minutes and then check on them again. I just cover them because the steam will help the lentils cook faster. So, and we're really hungry, so we need these lentils done. Okay, 25 minutes, and I'm checking. And it looks like they're done. 25 minutes, and these guys are done. Let's see. Let's try them. We're done, but I'm going to let them steam for the remaining time, but not on the stove. And they're ready. I know it doesn't look very appetizing, but I can guarantee it tastes really good. And maybe adding the veggies at the end might be the way to go if you don't want your veggies to look like there's only one color in the plate. Cheers, enjoy, and this is a nourishing bowl. Very, very nourishing food, packed with protein and iron and lots of good stuff for you.